Hi everyone, I'm going to review this silver Anchor mini Bluetooth speaker, and it's pretty small. It's about the size, a little smaller than the size of my palm there. I love the sparkle. It's like that all the way around. So you get your USB plug right there where you can charge it. Comes with the charger right here. And little instructions on how to connect it, and it also comes with this little wire here so that way you can connect it right here to this side. Just pull it in there and you can connect it to your purse or your backpack or your keychain or wherever you want to connect it. And it has this little part here so you can plug it at the end of your phone here, like this one. You can just put it in there and let it hold on to it so you can listen to your music that way. So that's pretty neat. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. So it's going to let you know that it's on. See the little blinking light there. And okay, so it says here that once you connect it, you're going to look for AW3R1, and I have that right now. So now it's pairing. Okay, it's already paired. Okay, so let's put on something and we're going to test out the sound. So let me look for something to play. Okay, so it's on. So that was just a little sample there of how it sounds. It was pretty loud for something so small. The sound quality is pretty amazing. So this would be good to take with you if you're going to go out somewheres, like to the beach, or have a picnic, or some fun summer activities where you're just going out with a whole bunch of people. This would be great to take along with you. This sounds amazing. If you guys want to order it, the link is down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.